What are the best vacuum cleaners to remove pet hair? Fret not! We bring you the best vacuums for pet hair in 2026. These are technology-driven, fully featured, and versatile, helping you create a healthy, hygienic, and fresh indoor air. Take a look now. Bissell wireless handheld vacuum for pet hair. Vastorm's anti-tangle vacuum cleaner for pet owners. Erios cordless pet-friendly vacuum. Invest in 5-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Lafont M330 Pro robot vacuum with mop. So, this video will help you make an informed decision while maintaining a tidy rental home. To know more, visit our website now.